Well, for Kotoko European tour media launch na abaso ewo Golden Tulip yako na the CAB na ya bro on Super 24 TV. They say na confirm Kotoko bebo Genoa, Italian club Genoa na wabo Atalanta. We enye Atlanta na ewo USA no, but Atalanta Casio. Yes, one mu follow foreign game no dey munim Atalanta Casio 1907 na Genoa ewo Italian league no mo na Kotoko bebo mo ewo 2024 ya after league ne be wi ya Kotoko e de nani be kire pre-season ewo Italy na after that Kotoko besa de nani a kire mu wo Germany. This office no, it is coming together with the supporters na media for nso anya akwanya nta otie se me blogging news many a Japan we akwanya aba for Italy and Germany, for Ghana for supporters of Kumasi Asante Kotoko and then the media and then the agency omo broker deal no omo ne Kotoko collaboration with Kotoko every feed the media ewo baba Mr. Baba Yara Golden Tulip. Yes, Golden Tulip tell me Baba Yara di mano am enti the course bia no na me twa summary kakra bia ma omo kire say in due course the modalities going forward and sheye properly omo de beba abonten but say the Italy and Germany na yeko na yeko ebekwa akobo Genoa na yebesa abo Atalanta. Omo course chire mu say sa we supporter na opese wo join a simple enye say players nko aneko. We are taking supporters along. Yes, and we media na opese wo konso you are going to take you along. Data Kotoko de be kono ewa ha enche me de betu screen so nti opese okobi a obetima asase aboa ho sisi a yes na usika 70 bibia ye ready a na Asante Kotoko to play Italian club Genoa and Atlanta in the club's training tour in Italy. Next year, the club will proceed to Germany and Switzerland before returning to Ghana for the 2024-2025 season. The club will depart from Ghana for Europe on July 15th. By July 15th, the year 2. Na yedi ani achire Italy, Germany and Switzerland. Eho nkrumiensen na yebedi kasubom pa enti we Kotoko supporter na wutia e wo se nhyehyeye ne ahoboa no very much ready because time won pa say you December you twa December we be next year na yebetu kwan no which is January, February, March, April, May, June we league na yebo no around May, June we are na afede ya prepare for the trip here ekoso ewo Europe uko Europe no anko Germany wanko Italy dia na chese wenye ntukwan crowd enti panyefo se website crowd pese ubuki we supporter opese ukobia obe apply ni nyina no in the coming days no the website is going to be launched and also me the bebro wo fia ekwan opese ukobi no ye de ni nyina bebro in the subsequent videos.